my Vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Valerie, and this is my little co-hostess, Violet. She's my little doggy. And I am your independent Sentsy consultant. So welcome to my channel. We do a lot of things here. We do Sentsy, we do other stuff as well. But today we're going to talk Sentsy stuff because they got some really good stuff that's coming out, guys. They are really, I'm so excited about it. So I wanted to bring you guys all the news of what's happening. So the week of March 21st, starting on March 21st through March 25th, there is going to be a week-long celebration that Sentsy is putting on. And it is called So that's it, guys. Enliven the Senses week with Sentsy. Woo! It's going to be so much fun. So to celebrate, they are going to be bringing us, it's called Build a Bundle. And you can build a bundle of select spring and summer 2022 catalog products. And you're going to save money by bundling, okay? I love their bundles because you can save money, you know, and it's great. So this is going to start Monday, March 21st at 12:01 a.m. Pacific time. And it will, or 3:01 a.m. Eastern. And it will run through 11:59 p.m. March 25th. Pacific, or 2:59, I think, p.m. Yeah, p.m. Eastern. Okay, so March 21st through the 25th, basically. So what's going to happen is they're going to be putting some of these. This is going to be on the website, guys. So I'm going to tell you the specials that they're going to have, but this is a little bit of something that Sentsy had on their website. So let me read it to you here. Let's see if I can read my own writing. So, Enliven the Senses week will be celebrating the sensory magic of fragrance, beginning with International Fragrance Day on March 21st. So I didn't know that. So that's good to know. And it will be lasting through March 25th. So I already kind of told you guys that. So some of the specials that they're going to be having is the first special will be 10 Sentsy bars, which is the wax bars, for $45. So that's pretty good. That's like $4.50 a bar, which they're normally $6 a bar. And the next one is they're going to have 5. You can get 5 Sentsy pod twin packs for $40. So the pods are, they come in 2. It's a twin pack. You get 5 of those for $40. That's really good. Really, really good. And those pods you use in like their diffusers, that they have diffusers that go in the wall. They have Sentsy Go. It's like this thing that you can charge up and you can take it with you. So like if you go on vacation and you don't want to like take wax and that kind of stuff, you can take these instead and scent your area that you're in. They run off battery. They run off batteries and recharge them, and they're really cool. It's really just awesome stuff. Also, you can get 5 car bar clips for $25. You can get 5 scent packs for $30. And I think those are normally like $7 a piece, I think. The bar clips, I'm not sure. And I'm not sure, but I think the Sentsy Pod Twin Packs, I think they are $8 or $10. I should have my catalog over here. Hang on, let me go grab it. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm looking here. Oh, here's the pod. No, that's not the pod. That's Sentsy Go. Let me find the pods here. I'm looking, guys. Sorry. Okay, so the Sentsy bars, I already told you those are normally $6 a piece. And then the car bar clips They're showing them here for $9, and that shows as a pack of 2. So I'm not sure if these are going to be pack of 2 or just singular ones. So that I'm not sure. You may have to check the website to be specific on that. Normally, I mean, it's going to be a twin pack of the pods. I would think if they are sold in 2, there'd be a twin pack of the bar clips too. They're going to be through, let's see, 5 cent packs for 30, and the cent packs are normally 7. So you're going to save like what, $5 there. The bars, Sentsy bars, you're going to save quite a bit. Let's see, this 5 Sentsy car bars, not the car bar clips, but the car bars, they sell for $6 each. And there's only one. So you can get 5 Sentsy car bars for $20. That's a good savings. And let's see, and 10 cent circles you can get for $20, and they're normally $3. So that's a pretty good deal, guys. To pack it, I mean, bundle it like that. That's a really good deal. There are exclusions. Licensed products like, Mickey Mouse and Disney and that kind of stuff, Warner Brothers stuff, that is not going to be included. And Scent of the Month is not included either. And any of these are not like available for host rewards. So let's say you have a party and you have host rewards that you want to use. The packet, the bundles will not be available for that. Okay. So that's Enliven the Senses week, but we have more stuff too for the celebration. So what's the next item? Let's look and see. That's right, guys. Sentsy Fresh. If you don't know what Sentsy Fresh is like a Febreze. You can use it on pillows. You can use it on blankets. You can freshen up your carpeting with it. Your pet's bedding, curtains, that kind of stuff. You can do all those kind of things with Sentsy Fresh. So this is a limited time fragrance. It is coming. Violet. She's moving my little stand here. It is coming, guys. It is also coming on March 21st, on Monday. It doesn't give me times, but I'm assuming it's going to be close to the times that the other stuff is going to be out. So, it just doesn't tell me the times. Okay, so Sentsy Fresh Fabric Spray will be available in 3 beloved fragrances while supplies last. So, if you're interested, you better get on their site early or on time on March 21st. There's not going to be any close, which means they're at the first come, first serve. Okay? So, the first scent that they have is Hibiscus Pineapple. And Sentsy describes this as hibiscus, pineapple, and a touch of sweet mandarin. That sounds good. It does sound good. The second scent that it's coming out in is watermelon tangerine, and it is sweet watermelon slices spiked with juicy tangerine and dewy greens. And then the third scent is called Oh Snapdragon. And it is exotic blood orange and sparkling pink pineapple and snapdragon. All right. Oh, it does give me the time. Here it is. Okay. So March 21st between 9:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Pacific time, which would be between 12:30 and 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. That's Indiana time. So if you guys are not in my area, if you're somewhere else besides, I don't know, you'll have to get on the time zone thing and check it out. All right. The cost of those items are $12 each. Okay. And they will be found on the website under laundry and collections tab or collections tab. Okay. Those are eligible for host rewards, And you can you can purchase those in bundles and save, okay? So, and I don't have a price for the bundles. I would assume it's the same as, let me look here, my book. Violet, stop. Stop, stop, stop. I've been working overtime. She's been really wanting some attention, and I've been trying to do this, the Sentsy. I've been trying to do my YouTube. I've tried to work overtime and be a good doggy mom. So, oh my gosh. I'm in the wrong page. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? 64. Page 64. Okay, let's see here. Under, yeah, Sentsy Fresh. So here it shows 3 bottles of Sentsy Fresh for $35. So you could bundle all 3 of those and I think get them for $35, if I'm not mistaken, okay? So there you have it for the Sentsy Fresh. So, like it says, limited time, guys. It's a limited time offer. So, and products are limited, so get there. All right? And I'm going to leave my link below for you guys. So, are you guys ready to take a look at our last and final item that's coming to us? Let's take a look. So what do you think? What do you think of Cozy the koala, the Sentsy buddy? I think Cozy's really cute. I think very, very cute. So Cozy will be available 10 a.m. Pacific time or 1 p.m. Eastern time on March 21st as well. So March 21st, Monday, which is this coming Monday, guys, is a big, big day. Cozy is available for $40 and comes with scent of your choice, scent pack of your choice. So you get to choose how Cozy's going to smell, which is fun. Sentsy says it's Cozy is a cuddly new Sentsy buddy, is ready to climb right into your heart. Aww. And only available while supplies last. So it's a limited time offer, guys. So these are LTOs, which are limited time offer products, limited time offer, special deals, okay? So act on them as soon as you can if you want anything, because items sell out quickly when there's limited time stuff, okay? So I'm going to leave my link below for you guys. So just click on that link. That'll take you straight to my page, and then you can shop from there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna actually, with things I'm gonna get, I think I'm gonna get a 10-pack of bars, because I really would like to try out a lot of their scent and the wax bars. And I think I would like, I don't know what else I want. I want everything. So, yeah, I don't know exactly what I want, but I'm excited for this. I was just going to place an order for some more bars, actually, and then I seen this on that come through for consultants. So I was excited. I was like, yeah, okay, I'm there. So guys, if you're new and you haven't yet, click the subscribe button before you leave, and click the notification bell so you're notified of all my new uploaded videos. So you don't miss anything. So you don't miss any sales. No. And you don't miss this little sweet girl right here. My little sweet girl, Violet. Yes. She's a sweet mama. She's a sweet baby girl for her mommy. Yes, she is. Okay. And there she is again. There she is again. You sweet girl. You sweet baby. Yes. Okay, guys. And for those of you who already subscribed, thank you guys so very, very much. I love you all. Please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button. Or I always tell you guys that. Sorry, I'm tired. Click the like button. She's trying to bite you trying to bite my face off? You trying to bite my face? Trying to bite my face off? Little girl. And we're having the rainstorm, guys, which I'd much rather have rainstorm than snow. That's for sure. yeah, so share. That's what I was gonna say. Share my videos, guys, and I thank you guys so very, very much for everything. I really do appreciate everything. I also have my email down below, so if you guys have any questions and you don't feel comfortable putting in the comments, you're more than welcome to email me at any point in time, and I will gladly help you. I will help you with your orders. I will help you with questions about Sentsy or anything, to be honest. If you want to know anything about me, yeah. So I'm going to get off of here. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.